Let's be honest. If you have ever edited ads or video in different kinds of software, I think you know the pain. So you spend an hours just trying to get one ads right, scripting, cutting clips, fixing audio, adjusting timing, finding visual, and that's just for a single version. Now imagine you have to produce 10, 20, or even 50 ads variation for different audience. But what if an AI agent could actually handle the entire pipeline from script to storyboard to casting to full video generation? And you only step in to approve or adjust what matter? In this video, I'm testing Creatify AI, a tool that turns a simple product link or idea into complete video ad in a minute. So now let's jump on the video and let me show you how it works. Alright guys, so now just come up here on this Creatify website. So you will check the link in the description down below. And then guys, you have to create this Creatify account. Just come up here on this login and I'm going to import my email guys. For me, I have already have an account on it. So guys, for the first time, just come up here on this agent, okay? So I'm going to use this chart, but after we will use this workflow, okay? Just click here on this new chart guys, okay? And then they will bring you this workspace which looks like this. So guys, what I'm going to do, and I'm going to add the product which I just want to create a video for, okay? I have to just come up here on this product guys. So here guys, and I'm going to use the link guys. Maybe you can use any link you just want, some different kinds of website, okay? So let me just go to find the link which I use, okay? Let me just come up here on this Amazon link and I'm going to use this Camilla product, okay? So let me just copy this link, okay, and then come up here on this website and I have to paste this link here guys, or you can just create this product manually, okay? So for me, let me just use this link and then let me press enter guys. So let me just wait a few little bit. Alright, so now after pasting this link on my website guys, it will gives you this product name. My camera, it is called Panasonic Lumix, this and that. It's here there is some product description, and then here you can just add, if you just want, you can just add like starting point, okay? Here 1, 2, 3. Alright, so when you're done, here there is some image of this product guys that you have been put on it, okay? And then let me just click on this create product, okay? So, all right, now the product, it is already in. So now let me press here on it and then click here on this use this product, okay? Now you see guys, the product link, it is already here on this chart. So what am I going to do? And I'm going to type the prompt which I want, okay? You can just come up here on this video ad and then use this word like create a video of the ad and an AI avatar for website. Guys, you can use any words you want here, okay? For me, let me just type my own, create a natural, authentic UGC style video for the ad for the product in this link. So when you're done guys, and then I'm using this late optimize for speed, it's time to press enter and let me check it out how the things it is. So after pressing it, and I have to wait some few little bits, now this Creative AI is analyzing my product. It is already done generating the video. So now when we just come back here on this top, so it is started by the music background. It also generates the character which will perform in this video, and then so when you just come back here, this is the different kind of the video which they have already generated, and then this is the sense how the video is gonna be, okay? The duration, the 7 second, 5, 8, something like that, and the types of the shot which will be in that final video guys. This Creative AI is a game changer guys. Now this is how the scene will be, okay? And now let's check out the final video and let me see how it is.
I've shot with a lot of cameras. This one made me stop and stare at my screen. To 177 megapixels. I'll say it again, 177.
It shoots 8K video, 40 FPS burst. If you've been waiting to upgrade your setup, the Lumax S1R2 is the one. Links below.
Yes, all right. For this next step, now let me just come back here to the agent and I'm going to use this workflow. For the first time, I've already used this chart and then I just want to use this workflow. Now let me just click here on this workflow and then also guys here, and I'm going to type. And I'm going to use this prompt which says create the realistic UGC video featuring the creator who recently discovered the product from this link. Okay, so and then guys also I'm going to use my own link. Okay, now let me just come up here on this product. Okay, so and I'm going to use this TV guys. This is a normal TV. Okay, let me just copy this link of this product and then let me just come up here to paste in this website and then let me press enter. Let me just wait. Then they give you the product name. This is the name of this TV, and then the categories is tech, electronic, office equipment. All right, and then this is the description, how this product it is in the full HD resolution, it is red, something like this. Okay, and also you can just add your selling points, whatever you want, and then this is the image of this product, front and back, top and bottom, this and that. Okay, and then create the product. All right, so when I have already done, just put it this product and this chart and this prompt. Now it is time to click on enter. Guys, remember we are in the workflow because I just want to show you the difference between this chart and workflow. So now let me click on this enter, and then you see guys, now where this prompt is going to generate my stuffs here on this side, and then you see guys this workspace. Now let's wait, and then this is the generation which this prompt that have been put it gives me the hook, product hero, RX remote, streaming library, cutaways and CTA, the recommendation. Now the next, let me just click here this confirm. Now it is time. So guys, what gives me on this workflow, so you see here we have like the character which is called Julian, and then this is the product. Okay, and then here too there is a Julian in apartment. Okay, and then here there is some different kinds of scene which this video is going to generate, the hook, the product, this and that. Okay, and then this is the final video guys. The things you have to do, maybe this character you can also change the character you want. Just you have to click here on it and then just come up here on this replace image, and then here there is some different kinds of avatar. You can choose any avatar you want. So here guys there is some kinds of avatar. Maybe you can choose any avatar you want, maybe guys. So let me just use the girl. Yeah, let me use this girl. Okay, this one, the price, this is nice. Okay, now you see the girl, it is already lip price, and even here guys too you can just change any product you just want to do, but for me I'm using this TV. Okay, this is a real nice. So and then what I'm going to do guys, and I'm going to click generate. Here they ask you ready for run this 7 node. Now you have to click here on generate. Let me just wait my final result guys. Okay. Alright guys, so now let me check it out. What if this creative AI gives me? So about with this workflow, they start giving me this character which is called Julian, and then this is the product. So Julian, it is an apartment. So about this scene 1, it is the hook. So the scene 2, it is the product, the hook, and then the scene 3, maybe, yes, all the details of the video, it is located here too. And then this is the final result guys. So when I place on this video guys, here too you can change the aspect ratio. Maybe you can just download it in the 16:9 or 9:60, maybe. Yes, depend what the aspect ratio you want. Okay, and then let me show you the final video which I have already created in this Creatify AI.
Okay, I almost sent this thing back before my kid even sat on it. Then he twisted the throttle and I genuinely wasn't ready for how fast this thing goes. LED lights, power display, chain-driven motor. This is a real bike. It handles grass, gravel, whatever. Those 12-inch tires are no joke. Elamara electric dirt bike. Link in bio. Your kid will not stop talking about it.
So after testing the Creative AI, here's the real takeaway. This isn't trying to replace seriously high-end creative editing, and it shouldn't. But for ads production, especially repetitive content of scaling campaign, it removed a huge chunk of boring work. Scripting, assembling scenes, generating visual, even casting avatars. So guys, if you are someone who spent too much time assembling ads instead of actually being creative, this is worth checking out. So guys, you can try it for free and then get 10 credit every month by using this link, which is in the description down below. Guys, if you like video, please don't forget to subscribe, drop the comment down below, let me know what you think, and like, comment, etc. And I will see you in next video. Peace.